After being a hostess for Jeanneau in Annapolis, I landed a job that's been in the workings for about a year now since my photo shoot with Jeanneau at the beginning of 2016. I'm now working for Florida Yacht Group as a yacht broker, and I got to start my training at FLIBS, which is the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. I tell you, it was a really rough job, but I had a lot of fun looking through some amazing boats. Here we are at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, and I am going to take a look aboard this beautiful 108-foot sailboat. I've never been on a sailboat that big, so come on, let's go aboard and take a look, all right? It's called Sea Quell. Ocean Independence, I think, is the charter company, and 108 feet. This sucker, 1992, 3 staterooms. Wow. Alloy. Let's go aboard. Must be nice, huh? Look at these chain plates. Holy smokes. Talk about heavy duty. The size of the mast. That boom. In boom roller furling, it looks like. This is one massive yacht. I'd like to go up there. Definitely. So there's a jacuzzi pool in the back. That's just so amazing. I would have never known. And look at the steps down onto the swim platform in the back. Yeah, I could rock this boat. Definitely. Nice little area to chill out here. Looks like all the wind instruments are working. Nice place to sit. My question is, where do all the lines come back to? I guess sailing this would be quite an interesting feat as well. My good friend here is going to give me a little tour, it looks like. Can we just go right through here?
Yeah, actually I don't think the owner likes
anyone in?
Well, no, I can show you
film.
through, but not to film. Yeah.
Oh. Too bad, guys.
Sorry.
No looking on the inside.
I can certainly show you through.
Okay, I will, and I'll give you my interest. Well, I can say that was incredible inside. It was an older boat, and it was big and spacious, and she's for sale, so whoever wants to buy her can. I'm on a large lagoon catamaran. It has to be probably 63 feet, and I think this is the stateroom. Check out that bathroom. Can you believe it? Here's the bed. You walk down the stairs. That's a shower right there. And, you know, you can just have the view of the ocean, of course, while you're taking a shower. That's the way you get out, huh? Check this out. Yeah, that would be your view too while you're taking a shower here. I think I could, ooh, check that out. I could go for that. Very nice. Can you only imagine the enjoyment and parties that could happen on this boat? This whole back area too. Nav stations on either side. Look at how shiny everything is. This thing would be a really big paint to keep clean, but that's what you have a hired crew for. The whole foredeck has cushions. Could have a huge dance party on this thing. I mean, I don't even know how many people this boat could hold. But a lot. So another adventure begins as a yacht broker. If anybody needs a new boat, especially a new Jeanneau, I'm the one to come to. So give me a call at
FloridaYacht.com.